In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all data in Canva. If your device is running low on space or Canva feels sluggish, clearing all stored data can help. This action removes offline content and cached files that Canva has saved on your device to speed things up. It does not delete the designs stored in your Canva account, but it will remove any files saved for offline use on this device. Keep in mind, once you clear this data, those files will need to be downloaded again, so have an internet connection handy later. Start on your main Canva dashboard. This is the home screen you see after you open the app and sign in. From here, look for your profile icon at the bottom of the screen and tap it to open your account options. In the menu that appears, select Settings. Settings is where Canva groups app preferences, storage controls, and account details. Inside Settings, go to Data and Storage. This section manages what Canva keeps on your device. You'll see a section labeled Delete All Stored Data, along with a button that says Delete Data. Before you tap it, take a second to make sure you're ready to remove offline items and cached content from this device. When you're ready, tap Delete Data. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Read the message carefully. This is your last chance to cancel. If you're sure you want to proceed, tap Delete to confirm. Canva will immediately clear the stored data on your device. Depending on how much is built up, this might take a moment. After the cleanup, Canva may take a little longer to open designs the first time because it has to rebuild its cache. That's normal. If you rely on certain files offline, open them while connected to the internet so Canva can download fresh copies. Also, avoid clearing data in the middle of an active project. Finish and sync your changes first to keep everything up to date across your devices. And that's it. You've successfully deleted all stored data in Canva from this device. It's a quick way to free up space and resolve minor performance issues without touching your actual designs. If you need offline access again, just open the designs you want while you're online, and Canva will save new copies as you work. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped.